2 infants in Kentucky have died from whooping cough in the past 6 months. The state health department says neither of the infants nor their mothers had received the recommended immunizations against pertussis during pregnancy or infancy. These are the first pertussis-related deaths in Kentucky since 2018. Doctors want to remind people to get a pertussis booster every 10 years.
If you were to catch it, think you have a little cold, but give it to your infant grandchild, and it could be fatal. So not only should the small children start with their immunization series, adults should make sure their boosters are current.
In total, there have been 247 reported whooping cough cases in 2025 so far.
A Texas